Hello, my name is John Tolva. I work for IBM, and you're visiting the virtual Forbidden City, part of a project called Beyond Space and Time, a multi-year collaboration between the Palace Museum in Beijing, China, and IBM. This is the first large-scale cultural heritage virtual world. It is a massively multi-user cultural world, three-dimensional world, that allows you to explore the history, the people, the places, and the artifacts of the Forbidden City. We built this in collaboration with the Palace Museum using a number of state-of-the-art technologies, such as virtual worlds and 3D visualization. But what you may not know when you move through this world is that it's all built on a services-oriented architecture. Everything in this world is a web service, which is very different than the way that most gaming and virtual worlds work today. The reason we did that is to facilitate and enable a very scalable experience so that thousands of visitors could be in the world interacting with guides and with one another in a seamless way. The Palace Museum, the real Palace Museum in Beijing, is the most visited museum in the world, and we predicted and indeed saw that those types of numbers translate to the virtual world. So the virtual Forbidden City, Beyond Space and Time, is built on web services such that all the functionality in the world is served and scaled like you do for a web application. As opposed to sort of a self-contained 3D world, the tours, the interactions with one another, chatting, looking at things, retrieving more information, that's all coming from a web server as a web service. It's exposed in ways that enable the actual website to show the same information, and it allows us to bring other servers online, just like you would to scale a web application. So I encourage you to visit the virtual Forbidden City and get a look at the functionality that's all served based on IBM's SOA technologies.
Would you like to see the virtual Forbidden World at first hand and have the opportunity to talk to the developers and SOA experts? In April, we're running a private tour within the city for a small group of specially selected IT specialists. This will take approximately 40 minutes and give you the opportunity to hear at first hand how the city was built on SOA principles and how you could develop those principles to increase business agility within your company. If you'd like to find out more information about either the virtual Forbidden City, SOA, or to register your interest in the tour, please visit our website.